Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the tiny scanner app review to see bit what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. The tiny scanner is a handy mobile app that turns your phone into a portable document scanner. It offers clean scan with auto edge detection, multiple color models, and the ability to create multi-page PDFs. You can organize files easily, password protected them, and share through emails or cloud service, which make it a solid choice for students, professionals, or anyone who need a quick scan on the go. On the downside, the free version is heavily limited with many features like cloud synchronization, OCR, and unlimited scans locked behind a subscription. Users also report frustration with recent update that removed or restrict previous available option, plus occasional glitches with cropping and quality. Overall, the tiny scanner is worth using if you need a straightforward scanner app and don't mind paying for premium, but lighter users may prefer the free alternative like Microsoft Lens or Adobe Scan. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Don't hit the notification button and subscribe for more review.